Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to be making sweet garlic habanero wings. So I went ahead and got 3 pounds of wings in here. I already washed it already, and these are the seasoning I'm going to be using. Each seasoning measured is half a teaspoon. So in here I have paprika, smoked paprika and cayenne pepper, that's half a teaspoon each, and chicken bouillon, adobo all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, parsley, thyme, oregano, basil, turmeric, garlic, and Lawyr seasoned salt and sea salt. So, and in here I have half an onion. I've just mashed it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle my chicken wings with some olive oil before I season it. So I'm gonna go ahead and season everything off camera. So this is the brand of habanero I'm gonna be using today, right here. But we'll get back to that later on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season this off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle the olive oil on it. I just decided to show you guys alone. So you want to get that in there and mix it. I'm going to be mixing it with this. Make sure you get the olive oil everywhere, so you can coat your seasoning. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and add all those seasoning in. And I'm going to add the onion in there, the fresh onion. That's how you want it to look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just mix. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it off camera, okay? And I'm gonna be right back to show you guys. So guys, so this is how it looked like after being seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'm gonna start baking it, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything goes. So see you in the next clip. Guys, so it's been 2 hours now. I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken and put it on the rag. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera, okay? So you wanna play it like this. You wanna give it a little bit of room. Like this. Alright, so like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, okay? Alright guys, so this is how it look like on the rag. But first you want to spray your rag with some spraying oil. I did that already. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my oven. My oven is on 350. I'm gonna put it in, like, cook for 40 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, and I'm gonna show you after I take it out. Yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna put it in the oven. All right, so guys, I went ahead and add half stick of butter and one full cup of sugar in here because I don't have honey. So now I'm gonna add my garlic to it and just mix it and stir it for a few seconds. Just like so. You want to stir it like this. Let it cook for a few seconds. Marinating our glaze. So after I've been cooking for a minute, I'm gonna go and add the habanero sauce to it. It looks like this. So oh, baby, they are sizzling over here. This is so spicy, y'all. Woo! There we go. Ooh, look at that baby. Look how pretty it looks. There we go. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Well, a lot bit more. and just mix it in there to get all everything glazed together. Oh, I think it lost its glaze. So after I finish mixing everything, I'm just gonna let this simmer for a little bit and I'm gonna be right back. So guys, this is how my chicken look like out of the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and add the glaze to it now, the sauce I mean, and I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So this is the sauce right here, my sweet garlic habanero sauce. I'm just gonna dip it on my wings now, okay? So guys, this is how it looks like when I added the sauce to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a shake like this. Get everything. Oh my god, it smells so good. You can smell the garlic aroma in here. This is how it looking. See that glaze in there, baby? See that glaze in there? So now I'm gonna go and add it to my bowl, and I'm gonna show you guys after I'm done adding it. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. So this is how everything looks like. It looks so pretty. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you ever tried this wing before. I appreciate you guys for your support. I'm gonna see you later in my next video. Take care of yourself. Later.